The Supreme Court clearing the way for the Trump administration to strip temporary legal protections from hundreds of thousands of immigrants in the U.S.
All right, Fox 5 Stephanie Bertini joins us now with a closer look at who this ruling could impact. Stephanie.
Yeah, it could impact a lot of people. So overall, the ruling from the Supreme Court allows the Trump administration to take temporary legal protections from hundreds of thousands of immigrants for now. The decision lifts a lower level court order that kept humanitarian parole protections in place for more than 500,000 migrants from 4 countries in particular: Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. The Supreme Court's order is not a final ruling, but it means the protections will not be in place while the case proceeds. It now returns to the First U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Boston.
Some of these people are very vulnerable. The reason Biden administration had implemented this program because number of people really were potentially good applicants for asylum. That if we look at Venezuela, people fleeing from Venezuela are potentially subject to persecution if they return.
We talked to one woman from Venezuela who is moving through the asylum process here in the U.S. right now. She came with her family, including her children, about a year ago, as this is all happening with the Trump administration's commitment to mass deportations as the underlining factor. She spoke of the uncertainty affecting her and many others in this moment.
I sincerely leave everything in God's hands and I continue my legal process. The day that I have to go to court, I hope everything goes well. I really hope so. But either way, one is worried, especially when you have your kids here. You don't know what can happen.
In a statement, the Department of Homeland Security said ending the CHNV parole programs, as well as the paroles of those who exploited it, will be a necessary return to common sense policies, a return to public safety, and a return to America first. The Justice Department argues that the protections for people fleeing turmoil in their home countries were always meant to be temporary, and that the Department of Homeland Security actually has the power to revoke them without court interference. We will be keeping our eyes on this.
Yeah, for sure. All right. Thanks so much, Stephanie.